Hola, bienvenido, me encanta verte ahí otra vez. Hoy traigo Fergus's Big Splash, un libro de un inglés básico que espero sea fácil de entender. Y la pregunta que te hago hoy es, ¿dónde estaba y qué estaba haciendo el granjero Bob the Farmer, mientras Fergus, el perro, le buscaba? Presta atención, lo vemos al final. Si tienes el cuento, ve a buscarlo y lo leemos juntos. Soy Mónica, bienvenido a Peque Books. Today we're reading Fergus's Big Splash, written and illustrated by Maddox. Fergus was looking for Farmer Bob. He wasn't in the hayfield. He wasn't in the big barn. Fergus asked the animals. Moo, said the cow. Oink, oink, suggested the pigs. Cluck, 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 added the hen. Quack, quack, agreed the ducks. Thought Fergus. He must have gone fishing. So he went to look, and the cow, the 3 pigs, the 2 dogs, and the hen followed him. Through the tall grass of the meadow, over the stile and into the dark woods, until they came to the big pond. Fergus climbed into an old boat moored by the bank to get a better view. The cow climbed in after him, followed by the 3 pigs, the 2 ducks, and the hen. The boat drifted to the middle of the pond. The animals mooed and oinked and quacked and clucked, and the boat rocked. Everyone was having a great time, except Fergus. I do wish they would keep still, he worried. But they didn't. And the boat rocked more and more and more until splash! It tipped up completely, tumbling everyone into the water. Farmer Bob woke with a start. He'd fallen asleep in the shade of a big tree. What's that? He said. He turned to see. The cow puddling in the water, the pigs rolling in the mud, the ducks playing in the reeds, the hen pecking in the grass, and a very wet Fergus. Fergus, said Farmer Bob, what have you been up to? The other animals gathered around. It looked like Fergus was in trouble. Well, thought Fergus, at least I did find Farmer Bob. And he shook himself dry and trotted back to the farm. That was the second soaking the animals had that day. ¿Qué te ha parecido? ¿Lo has entendido todo? Seguro que sí. ¿Y qué estaba haciendo el granjero Farmer Bob, el granjero Bob? Vamos allá. Farmer Bob woke with a start. He'd fallen asleep in the shade. Se había quedado dormido en la sombra. Bueno, pero Fergus al final lo encontró. Y eso es lo que vale. Si te ha gustado el libro, te animo a comprarlo. Y no te olvides de suscribirte, darle al like o compartir con tus amigos. Gracias por seguirnos. Nos vemos con el próximo cuento.